Hello, Village School families. I want to take a moment today to message a few things out with a little bit of a face-to-face conversation. First of all, I want to thank everyone for their flexibility and understanding in support of us as we navigate this challenging and confusing time for many of us. I also want to just say my heart goes out to those uh, members of our community who have tested positive, and we are sending them all our best wishes. Now, this year has been more challenging in some ways because we have a new variant to deal with. The Delta variant has been wreaking havoc throughout the entire country, and it is, in fact, here in our area as well. And what we're seeing is that we're seeing a higher contagion rate, and what we're also seeing is that this seems to be impacting young people a lot more. Last year we didn't see that, but we're already seeing it here this school year, and it is having an impact on us. So that means we have to be a little bit more careful in many ways. It also has overwhelmed some of the systems in place to try and prevent it. The Department of Health has not been able to handle all the contact tracing, so they've asked the schools to function as the contact tracers at this time. And what we do is we work with the Department of Health and the Southern Vermont Medical Center in our contact tracing practices, and we communicate all the important information out to families. And that's the way it's going to be for a while going forward. So we are functioning in that capacity as the official contact tracers for the next few weeks or even months. Now, what does that mean? It means we have to be as careful as possible. And that means maintaining a lot of our mitigation strategies that we utilized last year and that proved so effective. And that's why we are going to continue with our masking policy. We're going to continue to do hand washing diligently and frequently over the course of the day. That means we also ask you to take some personal responsibility and family responsibility and do that personal screening every morning. And stay at home if you're sick. That is one of our best preventions. Okay? Now, we also have now a new opportunity to have a new mitigation. And I think this one will help in so many ways. And the state is now offering surveillance testing for all of us. And this is going to be available to all of our students who are kindergarten through 6th grade and all of our staff. It is voluntary. So we ask that you get back to us with your consent. So we are going to be flooding our communication streams to make sure everybody knows as much as they need to about this. We're going to be sending out flyers. We're going to be emailing you. We're going to be putting messaging on our website. And we really want to encourage all families to have their kids signed up for the surveillance testing. It's one of the best preventions we can do. It allows us to know if someone has been in the building who is asymptomatic, and it will help prevent the spread going any further because we can remove that person from our community or that group from our community, prevent any spread. And I've already done it for myself, and I've already done it for my family, and I think it's really, really important that we all participate with that piece. Now, I do also want to just make some other general announcements. I do have one thing to pass along that's kind of fun, in that we finally have our sign. It just went up this week. We're very excited about it. If you haven't seen it, please swing by the school and check it out. We will have a dedication ceremony later on this school year, so watch for any announcements around that. And looking ahead to next week, a couple of things going on. We really hope to have all of our grades back in session next week. It's looking like we're going to head that way. I also want to let you know that the Highland Cole Garden program will be starting next week, so we're very excited about that. And also, we have a half day next week on Friday, but I also wanted to let you know that the YMCA Aftercare program will be available that day for families that need it. So make sure you sign up for that. Now, in closing, I just want to wish everybody a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourselves, stay healthy, and reach out if you have any questions at all. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.